Ooh, hello, what's up? Today I'm doing a DNA Ancestry kit with Jiggy because, I don't know, everyone seems to be doing it. It's kind of cool. And yeah, let's get started. So a little about myself, I'm from Laos, or Laotian as you can say. And the country has around 6 million people living in it currently. And I don't know what to expect, but probably just mostly Asian when I do this kit. So the Ancestry kit comes in this little box wrapped. I got it on Amazon for I think 59 bucks when they had sale during Black Friday. Yeah, let's open it up. Got my knife here. Take out the plastic. I'm not sure what to expect because it's my first time ever doing something like this. Got it open. Alright, here we go. Welcome to DNA Ancestry. Activate the kit online and gather DNA. There's instructions in English, French, Dutch, Portuguese, Italian, and some language I never heard of. Alright, the first step is to activate the key online and enter the 15-digit activation code from the tube. Don't skip the step. And gather DNA. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes. And get your saliva in the tube. 6 to 8 weeks, we'll get our sample back. So, yeah, it seems pretty self-explanatory. Here's the collection bag right here. You put the tube in there. Yep. Here is what is this? Oh, this is the tube where you put your saliva in. So I'll be doing that. And it comes in the USPS first class package return service, which I will be doing. Alright, cool. Let's see, let's go to a website and see what they have on the website. Alright, so again, back on my desktop, and we are gonna go to the website. Alright, let's see. AncestryDNA.com/instructions. Here we are. Alright, do not skip this step. Alright, activate it. I don't have an account. Oh snap. Alright, we'll make an account real quick right now. Alright, whatever. Alright, we're gonna create a fake name because we want to try to throw them off. So we'll be... What's a good name? John Smith. There we go. My email. And create a password. Hopefully that worked. Yeah, we want to try to throw them off our samples. Okay, there's a asking me for the tube code. Where is it? Right here. What the fuck? Oh wait, there we go. Bada boom. Birth year? Oh, I'm retarded. Birth year is 1995. Should we receive emails for DNA results? Why not? A male? Or should I put female? Nah, I'll just put male. Alright. Alright, I guess this is all pretty much using my DNA to give out more information. Why not? Participation is voluntary. Whatever, we'll just give consent because I don't freaking care if I'm adopted or not. How big is your family? You and your to discover how related, view each other's profile, and send message to each other. Why not? Because I don't think I'm gonna meet a lot of family members. All my family members are in Laos, or most of them are. I do have some in the States because I live in New Jersey, but not that I don't know any of them, but I don't mind if they contact me or not. This. Can I shoot both? Wait, display. Oh, did it? Fuck it, why not? Alright. Looks pretty good. John Smith. Hopefully I'll be some sort of like a Italian man or something. No, we do not. Alright, cool. What's all this? 6 to 8 weeks. It's gonna be a 2-month video right here. Alright. Family tree, whatever. Alright, I think we done it. We set up my DNA thing. That was the first step. Second step is to import my DNA and send it out. And I'll get my results back. So, alright, step 2 of the process. It says to fill the tube. Alright, I filled the tube up to a black line with my saliva. And it comes with this little blue piece up here on top. And now we're supposed to tighten it together so the two liquids come together. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Alright. I can't tell. I think they mixed. No. I think it's slowly coming down. Yeah, you can see the air bubbles on the top. I thought it'd be a lot cooler, but unfortunately it's not. And we're gonna have to shake it. Wait, let me get all that water for 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah. Then we put in this little box right here and send it off. Alright, today is January 28th, 2019, and we're gonna mail this right now. I'm going to the post office, going to walk there. It's probably like a four block walk from my house. That's alright. I haven't been to a post office in years. Yeah, it's gotta be years. The last time I went, I had to send a package, and I was confused as hell because I don't know who the hell uses the post office anymore. Anyways, so dark. Yeah, just another day. Monday, pretty boring. I don't know what to really say. DNA Ancestry kit. It's gonna be awesome when I find out. Hopefully I'm like part black or something, because that'd be so cool. Or European or some other thing besides Southeast Asian. Collection times at 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. and it's currently around 4:30, so it's a good thing we made it. Alright. I just want to go a little more in depth of where I believe I'm from. Maps. Laos. Laos is a very small country in Southeast Asia, right here. When I say I'm from Laos, they're like, what the heck is Laos? It's right here. Southeast Asia. Here is Vientiane, where my mom is from. My grandma used to live here. Pretty cool place. Uh, and my dad, he is from Vientiane. Not Vientiane, Savundakit right here. Is there anything cool? There's nothing really cool about Savundakit. It's like I said, really rural. Let's see what we have here. I don't even know what's here. Temples. Mostly it just looks all like this. My dad actually has a farm there, growing rice. V10 is like a suburb. It's really much more like a city, but compared to like U.S. cities, it's not really a city. It's more like a very suburban area. The what's Palace thingamajiggy. That's in my last video. The airport, not airport. Hopefully, my DNA will be somewhere around this area right here. I'd be very surprised if it were anywhere but there. Like I said, I'm only expecting to be all Asian. Let's sign up right now. Let's see our results right there. What the fuck? I'm Vietnamese? What? What the heck? Southeast Asian Dai and Southeast Asian Vietnam. What? Well guys, all this time I thought I was Laotian. But turns out Vietnamese? Can you link a family tree to your DNA story? Oh, why not? Let's go. Oh man, I don't want to do this yet. Yep, so basically I thought I was here, and I am. Wherever this is, I'm not sure what Dai Thai. Ooh, China Laos. What the heck? I thought I was fully 100% Laotian, but I'm Vietnamese? Our other genes are tested. Look at that, I'm fully Asian. Well, there you have it. Nothing crazy. Everything to be expected. Okay. Yep, so going a little more in depth with the ethnicities. They all pretty much make sense. Southeast Asia Dai. Says blah blah. Also found in primarily located in China and Laos. Right there, Laos. But can be found in Thailand, Myanmar, and Cambodia. Yeah, it pretty much says goes back to the old ages where they developed farming and started living in and around the Mekong River. They were amongst the first in Asia to use the oxen to plow. Artifacts from the Greek and Roman Empire showing long-standing trades between East and West, and they are influenced by both Indian and Western culture. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They practice Theravada Buddhism, which I do, or my parents do. Known for a 3-day water splashing festival, which is part of the Dai New Year celebration. That's when my mom splashes water on me. Holy water, I guess. And the Buddha statue getting bathed. Seen that before. And these water festivals take place throughout Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, and Cambodia. Yep, pretty straightforward. And right here it says Vietnam. I guess they just chose Vietnam as a place, but can be also found in Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, and Indonesia. Yeah, I don't know much about Vietnam, but I'm just assuming that since they're like super close to each other, that it just says Vietnamese. And it also includes Laos in here, so it's whatever. Yeah, it's pretty much all that's going on. We could look at the matches. our matches, and these are the people who are your like cousins. Look at 4th to 6th cousins. Very high, 15 centimeters across 4 segments. And these are my homies right here. Possible matches, possible cousins. Which is kind of cool if you want to know more. I probably won't message any of these people. Is that it? Oh wait. Yep, list goes on and on. I go all day. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's on the site, I think, I believe. Yeah, pretty uneventful. Very sad. Actually, it's whatever. And until next time,